Welcome friends. Today our topic is slice tool and crop tool from Photoshop. The slice tool, you can slice the image and export the image. The shortcut for slicing tool is Shift plus C is the shortcut key. Let's we have the image. So in this image we are going to apply the slice tool. So first I am taking the slice tool. It has some properties called styles. So normal, first one is normal. If I apply the normal, uh, we have a set of areas. So blue tag and gray tag. Blue tag is user defined and gray tag is system defined. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third one is user defined. That is marked as a blue tag. The other tags are the gray. Now I am explaining the second one. It is aspect ratio. So here we can give the width and the height. I'm just assigning 2 and 2. If I'm applying the slice tool, it is selected a equal size of circle, a ratio of 2 into 2 into 2. So the blue line is user defined, blue tag is, so we can apply 2 into 4 also. So we have a 2 into 4 option, and finally we have a fixed size, so we can give the pixel size. So I'm just having a bigger one, so it's out of the area. I'm just reducing the height and width for the fixed ratio. Yeah, now I have a fixed size with the blue tag, right? So now we go to the another option, double click. So you have a divide slice. So you have a horizontal, divide horizontal as well as divide vertical. I'm just giving 3 into 3, so 3 row 3 columns, the whole image divided into 3 row 3 columns. So you have a select slice tool. You can select any one of the sliced one. So you can select any one of the sliced one, you can just move it. So this is how select slice tool is being applied on image. So you can change the selection also. Now I'm using the divide slice. So I'm just changing the value into 4 rows into 4 columns, the entire image, so completely divided into 4 by 4. So here also you can apply the select slice tool. You can move a particular selection. So I'm just once again I'm applying the divide. So you can go to the export option and export this image into various parts as you mentioned in the divide part. So in other words, you can have the shortcut key. So go to save. It will save the location whichever you specified. Yeah, it is being saved. The shortcut key is for saving the image is Shift Alt Shift Control S. The shortcut key for exporting the image into web. I'm just reducing the size. It is not visible. I'm just reducing the size. Yeah, and now it is more visible. Alt Shift Control S is a shortcut key for export image as a web. Shortcut key for export. Export for web. Okay, now this is more useful for you by changing the color. Okay, it is more visible, I think. Yeah. Now we move on to the now I'll show you the folder which is saved. This is the image which is being cropped by using a slice tool. the same image was cropped. So now we move on to the next one, that is crop tool. I'm just taking one single image so that can easily understand. I'm just removing one image from this scenario. I'm just moving this. Now I'm going to apply the crop tool. So select the crop tool, select the image, press enter. The remaining portions are removed from the image. So that is pretty much simple. You can select wherever, but you cannot select the circular selection or lines or curve selection. It is only a rectangular selection or square selection only possible. The other selections are not possible in the crop tool. So you can apply the tool anywhere in the image, press enter. The selected portion is being selected, the rest of the portion is omitted. So I hope today we have seen two important tools. So I hope this video is more helpful to you. So keep watching, keep supporting. I will meet you in another video. Thank you all.